third Kasturba Gandhi, fourth Maniben Patel, and the fifth Usha Mehta. Let us know about them in brief. First, Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, by name Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, was born on 2nd October 1869. His father name was Karamchand Gandhi, who was Diwan, Chief Minister of Porbandar, and his mother name was Pultibai. Mahatma Gandhi was an Indian lawyer, politician, social activist, and writer who became the leader of nationalist movement against the British rule of India. As such, he considered as the father of India. Gandhi is internationally esteemed for his doctrine of non-violent protest satyagraha to achieve social and political progress. Movements done by Mahatma Gandhi are Champaran in 1970, Khade movement in 1918, Khilafat movement in 1990, non-corporation movement in 1920, civil disobedience movement means Dandi March in 1930 and the Quit India movement in 1942. Let us know about the second freedom fighter of the Gujarat in brief. That is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and he was born on 31st October 1875 in Liva Patel Patidar community in Nadiad village in Gujarat. His full name was Vallabhbhai Javerbhai Patel and popularly known as Sardar Patel. His father name was Javerbhai Patel and his mother name was Ladwa Patel. He was an Indian barrister and a senior leader of the Indian National Congress who played a leading role in the country's struggle for independence, guided its integration into united independent nation. He was the first Home Minister and Deputy Minister of India. In 1931, Sardar Patel was elected as the President of the Indian National Congress. Sardar Patel earned his degree in law from England and returned India to practice in Gujarat. Sardar Patel was well known for his iron will and principle, so people used to call him Iron Man of India. In the memory of Vallabhbhai Patel, on 31st October is celebrated as National Unity Day. The tallest statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in Gujarat name is Statue of Unity, and it is also the tallest statue in the world. Let us know about the third freedom fighter, which is Kasturba Gandhi. Kasturba Gandhi was born on 11 April 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. She was a political activist. She married Mahatma Gandhi in 1883. In association with her husband, she was involved in the Indian independence in British rule India. She was very influenced by her husband, Mahatma Gandhi. National Motherhood Day is observed on April 11 every year. The day also marks the birth anniversary of the Kasturba Gandhi. Let us know about the fourth freedom fighter, which is Maniben Patel. She was born on 3rd April 1903 in Gujarat. She was an Indian independence movement activist and a member of Indian Parliament. After independence, she was the daughter of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Educated in Bombay, Maniben adopted the teachings of Mahatma Gandhi in 1980 and started working regularly at the Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad. She participated in non-corporation movement and salt satyagraha and was arrested for long periods. Also, she participated in the Quit India movement and she again imprisoned in 1942 to 1945 in Yarwada Central Jail. Let us know about the fifth and the last freedom fighter of the Gujarat, which is Usha Mehta. Usha Mehta was born on 25 March 1920 in Saraj village near Surat in Gujarat. She was the Gandhian and freedom fighter of India. She is also remembered for organizing the Congress Radio, also called the Secret Congress Radio, an underground radio station which functioned for a few months during the Quit India movement of 1942. In 1988, the government of India conferred on her Padma Vibhushan, the second highest civilian award of Republic of the India. Now we are going to know about the freedom fighters of the Chhattisgarh. First, Veer Narayan Singh, second, Pandit Sundarlal Sharma, third, Thakur Pyarelal Singh, and the fourth, B.S. Monje, and the fifth, Ravi Shankar Shukla. The first freedom fighter from the Chhattisgarh is Veer Narayan Singh. Veer Narayan Singh was born in 1795 in Chhattisgarh. He was the landlord from Sonarkand, Chhattisgarh. He spearheaded the 1857 War of Indian Independence in Chhattisgarh. He was the first Chhattisgarhi freedom fighter. He arrested by the British in 1856 by looting a trader against stocks and distributing among the poor famine year. In 1857, with the help of British soldiers, he executed at Raipur. Vinaran Singh escaped from prison on that day, and in 1980 his martyrdom has become the resurrected, and he has become a potent symbol of Chhattisgarhi pride. He executed on 10 December 1857, and he became the first martyr from Chhattisgarh in the War of Independence. Government of India named a cricket stadium Shahid Veer Narayan International Cricket Stadium after him. It is in Raipur, Chhattisgarh. The second freedom fighter from the Chhattisgarh is Pandit Shindalal Sharma. He was born on 21st December 1881 in Raipur, Chhattisgarh. He was a follower of Mahatma Gandhi and believed in satyagraha and non-violence. And for that, he earned a nickname Gandhi of the Chhattisgarh. In 1980, Pandit Sharma was founded a political council at Dhamtari. He was very responsible for ushering in political and conscientiousness to Chhattisgarh. In 1920, he started Canal Satyagraha. It is also known as Nahar Satyagraha at a village called Kandel in Dhamtari districts, Chhattisgarh. He founded Smriti Mandal at his birthplace for the indigenous goods. He was also a social activist and advocated against caste-based system and discrimination and untouchability. And he also started an ashram and also a school for girls belonging to depressed classes. Let us know about the third freedom fighter from the Chhattisgarh, that is Thakur Pyare Lal Singh. Thakur Pyare Lal Singh was born on 21st December 1891 in Rajnandgaon in Chhattisgarh. He was an freedom fighter against British rule and the founder of labor movement in Chhattisgarh. He led three workers movement in Rajnandgaon in 1990 to 1920, 1924 and 1937. He conferred with the honorary title of Tyag Murti, which means epitome of the sacrifices. Let us know about the fourth freedom fighter of the Chhattisgarh, who is B.S. Monje. B.S. Monje was born on 12 December 1872 in Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. He is known as the Balkrishna Shivaram Monje. He was the leader of the Hindu Mahasabha in India. B.S. Monje recognized as a freedom fighter and a strong supporter of the Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He died in 1948. Ravi Shankar Shukla was born on 2nd August 1877. He was the leader of Indian National Congress. He was an Indian independence activist, the premier of the Central Provinces and Berar from 27 April 1946 to 25 January 1950. He was the first chief minister reorganized Madhya Pradesh state from 1 November 1946 until his death on 31st December 1956. He was elected from Saraipalli, Chhattisgarh. Thank you for watching my presentation.